Okay, then finally, question 13. It says, make h the subject of the formula, give your answer in simplest form. Now, what that means is it means get h on its own. Okay, so part A is going to be very easy, but part B is actually very tricky. But if you can get the first marks, these 3 marks, brilliant. Okay, so we need to get h on its own. So the first thing I need to do is get rid of this 5p. I'm going to use the arrow method, but you can use whichever method you want to. So I'm going to take away 5p from this side, which means I need to take away 5p from this side. That's going to leave me with 7h is equal to 11q, but then plus 3p take away 5p would be minus 2p. The next thing I'm going to do is divide both sides by 7. Now the nice thing with actually rearranging to make something the subject of the formula is that I can't actually do 11q minus 2p divided by 7, so I literally just leave it as divided by 7, and that's it. That's the full 3 marks. Okay, you could have written it as this. You don't need to rearrange, you don't need to write this out again if you don't want to. You could write it as that, but if you left it as divided by 7 like that, you'd lose 2 marks. You need to ensure that you have your brackets around there. Okay, because that's the thing that I had to do first. Okay, and then finally, part B. EF minus D equals KF plus T. It says make F the subject of the formula. Now the problem here is that F is on both sides, so I need to either choose this EF to come over here or this KF to come over here. I'm going to do that one, so I'm going to take away KF from each side. So I'm going to get EF minus D minus KF equals T. I'm now going to start trying to get the F's on its own, so I'm going to get rid of this minus D and I'm going to add D to each side. So that gives me EF minus KF equals T plus D. I'm now going to factorise to get F outside the bracket on its own and get T plus D there. And now I'm going to divide both sides by this E minus K. And that will give me finally T plus D over the E minus K. Okay, I'm not really bothered if you don't get those marks there, but these ones here are massively doable. And when you're doing your reflection, please only do it on part A. Don't bother doing it for part B. If you think you can get those, that's what I'm interested in. Okay?